What's up guys? Good morning. Today is 5 days out sa competition ko sa Saskatchewan, and matapos ko lang mag cardio for about 45 minutes, tapos mawalan ako ng kunting abs. So ngayon 5 days out sa dalawang category na sinalihan ko, so sobrang flat na kasi nag zero carbs ako ngayon for 3 days, and then ngayon full day of eating. So oras is 9:37 sa first meal ko. So ngayon uwi na ako para prepare na ng pagkain. Yung first meal, one scoop of whey,
It's okay lang. Oo, okay lang ulit.
So yun guys, ito po yung first meal ko. 5 white eggs and 1 whole eggs at saka isang whey. So yung oras natin ngayon is 10:17. Medyo late na nga yung breakfast ko, pero okay. Let's go. Hello guys, this is ito pala yung second meal ko, broccoli and chicken breast. sa mustard. Kain. Yes, hello guys. This is my third meal. So, ang oras natin ngayon is 2:42. So, nakatulog ako. Tulog muna ako ng mga isang oras. Kasi, actually, naka-holiday ako ngayon for 1 week. Ganun pa rin yung pagkain ko kanina. Yung sa second meal na broccoli and chicken breast pa rin. So, kain tayo.
Ang galing no, sa isang...
Hello guys, this is my
This one is
pork meal, pre-workout meal.
present, but it's inside.
So yun,
Ayan o, nakalagay o.
beef at saka
Let grow
rice.
light.
Let's
So actually bubuhat ako ngayon.
Let
Let's
grow
Back and arms
light.
light.
for 5 days out.
Woo!
So medyo na late na, 5:10 kasi lumabas muna kami, pumunta muna kami ng post office.
Mom, why is there so water here?
Tapos mayroon na kami binili. Grocery lang sa
Maybe somebody told you to our presents.
We're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna check it out. Where did you get? Close mo to isa muna.
So ang
Kasi
kain,
baka maghalo-halo. Close it mo muna. One by one natin. Yeah.
Maybe somebody told it in here.
Ako sa balik there.
Yeah. Just for that to
Oh, wait, wait.
Just wait.
Hello guys, good evening Katapos ko lang mag-workout. Alas 9 ng gabi na. So, inom muna ako ng whey. Kailangan talaga mag-ano kasi malapit na, is 5 days out na ako ngayon. So yan pa rin, consistent pa rin. After nito, shower, tapos post meal ko. So guys, sobrang depleted na talaga. So update ko na lang kayo mamaya guys sa last meal ko for 5th meal ko. So ingat. Alright guys, good evening. This is my 5th meal, post workout meal. Chicken breast at saka lettuce. Tapos meron tayong ginger tea. So 9:54 PM. Post workout meal ko to for 5 meals. So kain po guys. Alright guys, that's today's vlog. 5 days out, 4 days of 4 days of eating. So that's a wrap. So maraming salamat sa inyo guys. I hope na nagustuhan ninyo yung vlog ko, and please guys subscribe my YouTube channel for my fitness journey sa bodybuilding. Clint Carlo Ibarat. So thank you guys. Update ko kayo sa next video ko I think 3 days out pag travel na namin going to Saskatchewan. So, guys, thank you and stay humble, stay grind, keep safe, God bless. Bye.